Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to the 9 p.m. news bulletin on Channel 6 network. Here are today's top stories. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has shared that India is emerging as a significant market for artificial intelligence. During an exclusive interview, Altman revealed that OpenAI's user base in India has tripled in the past year, emphasizing the country's immense potential for AI development. He also expressed excitement about India's AI program and stated that the country is well on track to build great models. OpenAI is working hard to bring more AI innovations to India, with plans to expand infrastructure in the region. In Prayagraj, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam during the ongoing Mahakumbh. Accompanied by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the Prime Minister performed prayers and offered blessings for the nation's well-being. In Kerala, a shocking incident has sparked public outrage after a family was allegedly assaulted by police outside a bar. The incident, which police attribute to a case of mistaken identity, has led to an investigation as protests against the police's actions grow louder. AAP Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has accused Delhi police of blocking access to polling stations in AAP strongholds ahead of the upcoming elections. He raised concerns about voters, especially the elderly, facing difficulties in casting their ballots, calling the barricades an obstruction to the democratic process. A 62-year-old man from Mahim has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for the possession of mephedrone, a drug worth Rs. 17.25 lakh. The court found him guilty under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act after his arrest in April 2022. In Mumbai, the NCP has slammed the BMC's 2025-26 budget, accusing the government of neglecting the city's core issues, including poor air quality, potholes, and inadequate civic services. The party also criticized the budget's pro-builder agenda. On a positive note, the BMC has allocated Rs. 100 crore for pedestrian safety in its 2025-26 budget. This fund will be used for the Universal Footpath Policy to improve the safety and accessibility of Mumbai's footpaths. President Draupadi Murmu will attend the Platinum Jubilee celebrations at BIT Masra on 15 February 2025. The event will mark 70 years of academic excellence and innovation at the esteemed institution. In Karnataka, Congress leader Chittaranjan Shetty has been injured in an accidental shooting incident. The firearm discharge occurred in Dakshina Kannada district, and authorities are currently investigating the cause of the incident. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates and thank you for watching Channel 6 Network.